amazing tips on water therapy. We all know that 70% of our body is water, you know, and and but a lot of us don't have enough water, you know, for the body. So it's, what can we do in the morning before we get up from bed or do anything? Or, we should have a hot water, we should have lemon hot water and a little honey. That is very good for digestion. A client of mine named Nikita, she told me that she's just having a lot of, constipation and upset stomach. So this thing will really help to, ease the digestion in your life. Try to avoid very strong tea because tea is acidic and it affects your system. So I know people who are having tea, coffee, try to just reduce the intake, if not completely stop it. So this is very important to have lemon hot water and honey in the night, in in the morning. And then after that you should have a 1 hour gap, and then you can have fruits, and then after some time you can have dry fruits. But again, how are we eating the fruits? Are we eating the fruits like, just in a hurry for the sake of eating, or really enjoying every morsel and biting it and feeling it and chewing the food properly? Because that's very important, because when we chew fast, what happens? There's not it the saliva in our mouth doesn't generate, and we just gulp down the food, so it's very important. Again, saliva in terms of water, how is it? When we chew it properly, automatically our digestion is better, and then we can have vegetable juice, which is also very, very good for health. And then proper lunch, avoid of course fried and processed food. These are things which, rather than giving you energy, drain your energy. So these things are very important. And how do we drink water? That's very important. Again, I said, don't just gulp the water, take the water sip by sip, because that cools the body, and you can, it's really helpful for the body. And never after exercise immediately have cold water. After that, because your body temperature is hot, and suddenly when you have cold water, what happens? Your body it's like your body goes in a flight of like it's like, oh god, suddenly very cold you feel. And that's why I've noticed, so many people get cold, they get sneezing or cough, or all of a sudden, with the not nothing is wrong with them, because obviously your body is in a certain temperature, and suddenly you take cold water, what will happen? The temperature will go haywire. So please don't do that. And cold water is not actually, I've noticed, again, it's my viewpoint, my thing, not necessary it's for everyone, but that it's not good for the body. You should always have regular water is much better than having cold water. And also very important that after lunch, okay, you should at least keep half an hour, 45 minutes gap, and then have water. Don't have water during having lunch, because again, that affects the digestion, and then your food is not digested properly. So make sure there are gaps, okay, when you're having lunch, and when you're having dinner also have gaps. And try to have early dinner, because normally they say after sunset our metabolism becomes slow. So try your best. I know, like, sometimes it's not practicable. Try your best if you can have your dinner as early as possible, at least by 8 or before 8 o'clock, because it will help you to, digest your food. And after lunch or dinner, of course, if a lot of people are working during lunch, or then maybe after dinner, you have to do the Vajrasana pose, sitting on the ground with your feet folded, like not folded in terms of sitting, but the other side. And then it's a Vajrasana pose, and in that they say the digestion is very good after food. If we have lunch and we have dinner, it really helps. And very important, and lot of things, toxins also come out if we have water. It really helps us. And also, in olden days there was matka pani, and you notice there were not many health issues. Of course, the pollution, a lot of things, factors play in the role, and also stress. But at least what I feel that, matka water is so nice and so tasty. Recently I got matka because I keep doing, I just felt like having matka water. So, and I'm having water from them. Of course, I have a filter and then I put it in the matka and I have it, and it is awesome. You feel so nice and so relaxed, and I really feel that my thirst is quenched. And not only matka, I don't even have the mud. I don't not only have the matka, I even have the matka bottle. I put water in this, and the water remains cool and so nice, and you feel so good. When you have these things, it has such nice properties, because all of us are made of five elements. Earth, water, fire, air, and we don't really connect so much with nature and a lot of things which we should. So please try this. Try to get a matka in your house and have water, and I would love to hear from you how it helped you, and to how do you feel after having matka water, because in olden days we all used to have that. So these are amazing tips on water therapy. Please try that, and please forward this video to my family and friends, and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you.